Okay, Dad has been working his ass off to get the Mustang ready to be fired, and here it is. Today's the day.
Come a long way, so today's the moment of truth.
Yep.
We'll fire this thing up and see what we got. Yeah.
All right. Let's do it.
So, obviously you're going to get inside this time.
Yeah.
You're going to sit inside and put your foot on the brake.
Yep.
Crank it over. So you're going to go ahead and crank it. I got to get fuel to the carb.
Okay.
And then once we get some fuel to the carb, she should fire off.
All right.
So let's see what happens.
Here we go.
Give it a break. I'm going to give her a little squirt. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. 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 There we go. Okay, go ahead.
What?
I gotta adjust this one belt right here real quick. For some reason it popped off the pulley. Okay, good. Ready? Start it up. Yeah, a little temperature in her. Get a screwdriver, adjust the sightle. We got a few things to do. We got to check the timing on it. Hook up a timing light to it, check the timing, make sure the base timing's set, make sure it's got good advance. Might have to adjust that accelerator pump on it, but not too bad. It's running on all 8 cylinders. That's what we were after, you know. But that's next. We'll hook up a timing light to it and see where we're at. We'll let it cool down until I can open that cap. We'll double check the coolant. Power steering's good. We'll double check the transmission fluid, make sure that's good. Hook up the timing light, check the timing, and yeah, maybe we can take her for a little spill down the road. Can't even see my Mach.
We're having an issue with the timing light. The light is working, but we can't see the timing scale on the crankshaft pulley, so Dad is going to adjust the distributor and time the engine by ear, which doesn't make sense.
It doesn't seem like it's jetted high enough.
No.
You know what I mean? The jet doesn't seem like it has enough fuel when you.
Yeah.
Seems like it's, it's lean. All right, we're making progress.
Time to put the air cleaner on, and right now I'm strategizing on how to convince Dad we should take the car down the road once we're done.
There's one more hose I got to hook up. So this door right here, this door. So when it's cold in the wintertime, when you start this up, there's one more hose that goes to the bottom of the air cleaner from your intake. And then there's a temperature sensor inside. And then you apply vacuum here and close this door until this warm air comes up into the carburetor. And when that temperature sensor gets warm, it closes, and then this door opens.
Oh.
No big deal.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna have the air cleaned off a fucking 100 times from now. So that's one last thing. And then they put this hole here and that hole here, and that's what holds on that other scoop.
Right.
That's not exactly. We know that's not exactly how that's supposed to work.
Yeah.
So. I guess if you want, we could just go for a little. You know, I don't want to go far.
No, yeah, we'll just go around the block.
I don't know how much gas is in it, and I don't want to get stuck.
Yeah.
We're not going far. I know. Nor are we going fast. Under its own power. Under its own power for the first time. I'll go real slow on this. I don't want to chip anything. Got a little lag to it.
Yeah.
Got a little lag to it.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I got too much of a lag.
Yeah.
It's basically running off the accelerator pump. I gotta make that better. We can't be doing that. Well, that's a little disappointing.
Yeah.
To say the least.
She's up and running, but we still have a little bit of work to do. There's a bit of lag when we put our foot down on the accelerator, and we need to change the crankshaft pulley, but it does feel good to finally take her down the road and have her running on all 8 cylinders. We'll see you all again soon. Thanks for watching.